I don't want you to date other people. It may not be enough for you, but I'm trying here. So I don't want you to date anybody but me. That's it. Except, I'm scared as hell to want you. But here I am, wanting you anyway. And fear means I have something to lose, right? And I don't want to. Don't say anything. I'm gonna leave. And you're gonna say something more. That's all, right?